when I was a little
I did
kid.
it when I was in grade 4, but I told her
You
that
gotta. She decides to, then Dad has it.
All right. You think you can hold on?
Just trying.
Oh my god.
Don't worry, I got you.
Have fun. Have fun. Woo. Oh my.
Are you ready?
Yep. Thank you. I'll bring the truck down here.
Sure.
Yeah.
You okay about that?
Yep. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my Here, let's wait for Octavia.
I'm gonna get you to put that underneath you.
Okay.
Six in.
Oh my Went pretty fast, didn't we? Here she comes. Good job. Oh my god. That was far, huh? All right. Oh.